Welcome back to the world of trucks from Bloomsburg. You know, we have a lot of great-looking show trucks out there. Doc Riley found one.
Hey, Brian, tell us about the year, make, and model of this ride.
This is a 69 Chevy truck, K30. It's an original 4x4, three-quarter ton truck. It's got a 383 stroker in it, pro top line heads, scat, crank and rods, comp cam valve train. It's got a 4-speed in it, three-quarter ton rears out of a newer Chevy, 6-inch lift. I got the newer step-side bed on it, and 2.5-inch exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers.
Okay, why Flowmaster? Why Flowmaster mufflers?
Oh, they sound the best.
Is that the only reason? Sound?
That's the main reason. Motor makes a lot of horsepower, and you need something to put the power through.
Meanwhile, back out on the track, Joe Bernal and Sloppy Joe getting ready to do business, and he will come up against Kevin Kinch and the Grinch Digger.
The Canadian Kevin Kinch looking strong, but at 374, more than a second off, no help there, while Sloppy Joe broke at the starting line.
And that'll bring up Lisa Drury out of Readers, Pennsylvania. She will face Keith Mitchell, the Mudgician, from Fredonia, Pennsylvania.
And Keith Mitchell, the Mudgician, current leader with a 269. Is he going to improve? How about a 274? No improvement there. Lisa runs a 304 faster, but hey, maybe it's a top 10 run.
Well, let's go down and check in with Doc Riley, see how the run went.
Well, Lisa, it looks like that track is just a little bit loose.
Little bit. Hook's good, though.
Talk about your ride.
Nice. Hooked up, nice and straight. Couldn't ask for a better one, except maybe a little faster.
Well, there's always tomorrow.
Next time.
And that'll bring up Mike Zibella in Psychotic Seduction, and he will face Mike Scheifley and Over the Top.
Zibella, Psychotic reaction, the little early Chevrolet or Ford T-top, he runs 296. Improved his time, probably good for top 10. I don't know if it can move him to the top 5.
Well, we'll see. And coming to us from Bloomington, Indiana, Tom Davis in Split Personality. He will face Gary Husted.
Tom Davis, Split Personality, 325, not faster, but close to his first round trying. Gary Husted blew up on the line.
And Rick, last time Bill Lee blew up. We'll see if he's got things straightened out, and he will come up against David Heyer and Higher Hopes.
Both of them TNT, no explosion this time. 313, just offside the top 10.
And Rick, that was a pretty close drag race. Well, that'll bring up Brian Sears, who will be making a test run.
He missed his regular scheduled buyback session, so he's out here, but they'll let him make a run. Looks good, lights up the tires at 277, but test run only.
You know, it never gets old whenever you can win any place on the four-wheel Jamboree National Circuit, but it's got to feel special to win here in Bloomsburg.
Yeah, Bloomsburg's always been a great place. There's always a ton of people. We have a good following of people here, and that's what all my family and friends come out here, and that's what makes it great to do well in front of your friends. That's most important, and plus there's always a great crowd here, and it's always beautiful. But yeah, it felt good. I don't know, at first pass I didn't know it would hold up, but the track got a little harder and a little hard packed, and wasn't much to get a hold of there the second half.
What's the key to you in Class 4? I mean, you're always near the front or near the top of the leaderboard. Is there any secret setup or just experience, or do you just have the tricked out Mudgician ride?
Well, I mean, we've had our hard knocks. I mean, we put our years in, and we're very consistent. We just stay after the car all the time. I got good people behind me that's always working on the car, and we got great sponsors to help keep things moving. And we switched to Wilson with the ProFlow nitrous system last year, and it's just getting better and better. And like I say, I really thank all of our sponsors, and it's been good. We've had a good year. Been a little up and down. We had an accident. We've won a couple, and so it's been great.
But on this day, it's got to feel good to win with Bloomsburg.
Yeah, we're ready. Bloomsburg's nice.
Rick, a little review. Let's go back one more time and take a look at the winning run.
The Mudgician, Keith Mitchell, the orange machine in the far lane. What's he going to do? He's there, a little bit slow off the line, but then it just hooks up and dances to a 2.697, 0892 reaction time for the winner.
And congratulations go out from the booth to all of our competitors. Here are the top 5. Keith Mitchell and the Mudgician well ahead. If you would like more information on products featured today, log on to these websites. Be sure to join us for more World of Trucks next week from Lima, Ohio, the Show and Shine and the Burnout contest. And that will put a wrap on today's program. For Bill Stevens, Rick Carlson, and Doc Riley, Claude Wood, keep on trucking.